Tumira ang tres. Team 31. With the muscle team. Mr. White Shirt, muscle team. Lay up. Natapik. Simple, natapik. Team 31. Nasa ang Mr. Green Shirt. Mr. White Shirt. Nice pass! Grabe naman yung chemistry, ha? Mr. 24. Mr. Compression. Nasa. Grabe. Rebound. Muscle play. Loose ball. Pinasa ang Mr. Compression. Mira na tres. Go. Third touch. Number 12. Good drive. Mira na tres. Bang! Mr. Compression. Drive. Natapik.
Simple.
Mr. Compression. Pinasa number 3. Turnover. Right side.
5-0.
Kita. Team 31. Behind the block. Grabe. Alam niya na. Grabe. Red ball. Step up. Mira tres. Go. Team 31. Still. Recover. Go against one. 1v1. Beat it. All good. Nice layup, bro. Playing white shirt. Nice and love. Nice pass. Uy. Grabe lahat tayo. Grabe. Okay. Dribbling the ball. 24. Mira na tres. Flat. Mr. White Shirt. Standing up. Nasa number 6. Team 31. Libre. Oh, good. Number 6 with the 6. 24 with the ball. With the ball. Mr. White Shirt. With the ball. Nasa muscle team. Right. Big shot. Lucky bounce. Huli. 24. With the ball. With the blue shirt. Mr. Blue Shirt. Grabe. Finally on the court. We bring in the club with the ball. Nasa White Shirt. Behind the back. Pinasa sa 12. Libre. Corner shot. No good. 31. Nice house. Sayang. Kontak. All good pa rin. Grabe hustle play. Grabe.
8-4.
Airball. Grabe, what's happening? 24 with the ball. 24 with the ball. Blue shirt, big shot. Wala. Number 3 with the hustle play. Rebound. Corner shot, airball. Number 3. With the post move. 2 points. In white shirt, dribbling the ball. Mr. Compression, if you need it, score, 8-12, 8-12. With the drive, move back, grabe, ulit. Nice team, nice team. Well, with the ball in from St. Joseph, Mr. Muscle T. Ginasa sa number 6. Nasa sa team 31. Bounce pass. Blue dot. No good. Second question. 51. Pass to it. Ay, grabe. Okay lang. Okay lang. Nice layup, guys. 10-12. Anong ang dalawa? 10-12. Grabe naman. Handles, ha? Muscle T with the 3. No good. Play right shirt with the rebound. This time, no look. Number 2 with the ball. Amazing na pagkasa. Mr. Sandro. Moving back. Sabihin ng 3. No good. Advantage offensive. Uy! Pinasa ka kasi masyado sa kalapangan. Pakita mo rin. Nakakatakot pa. Rebound. Team 31. With the drive. Pasok! Grabe! Okay. Biglang lumito. One shot na. Uy! Takta naman! Headband, headband. Okay, headband. Malaglag headband. Okay lang yun. Number 12 with the ball inbound. Sizing up. Number 6, mid shot. There we go. Muscle T with the. Okay. Good, good, good. Team 31. Dribbling the ball. Uy, scoop shot. Kaso, napalipay. Mr. Blue Shirt. Grabe. O yun? Ito siya. Play the white shirt. Grabe. I like his handles, bro. Mid shot. Mid shot. Good. Dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball. Mid shot. No good. Grabe. Sakat na ng rebound. Okay. All yours. All yours. Hit the lane. Easily up. Easily.
14-12.
Score 14-12 in favor of the right
Last 3
side.
minutes.
Last 3 minutes. There. 3 points. 12-17 in favor of the right side. Number 3 with the ball. With the ball, pinatang. With the pressure 2. Okay, release it. Oh, lucky bounce. Sandro on the hustle. 3 points. Modo. Sa Emily. Good hustle though. Huli na naman, grabe. Grabe. 2v2.
Sabi mo, MD.
Stop down. So that's 2 minutes. Injury.
Injury timeout.
Balik. Okay. Last 2 minutes. Okay lang, sige. Last 2 minutes. Depensa, pre. Oh, yung nakablock. Okay. Grabe na ang kapalasan ng yan. Sayang. Kala ko, friend. Back the back. Grabe pa sa'yo. Kalma. With the drive. Teardrop. Mr. Blue Shirt. All your friends. Okay. Score. 14-17. Lamang 3. Grabe. 4 points. Rebound. Huli. Mr. Santo. 81. Fast break. Tumira ng 3. Sayang. Second chance. Grabe naman. Trying to open ko. 82. 16-17. Silang lamang. Not the right side. Plain white shirt. Ay, grabe yun. Parang lamelo, Parang lamelo po lang, Still, turnover. Libre-libre. Grabe. Triangle offense. Okay, point favor. 18-17.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
2 points. 19-18. Last 23 seconds. 18-19. Tumira ng 3. No good. Plain white shirt. In transition. Kami naman yun. Parang Jason Williams yun Score.
21-18.
21-18 lamang tatlo. Ito pa yung right. Okay. Okay, 20-21.
Top shot.
Last shot of the game. 3 points. No good. Okay,